When you go out to a restaurant or need to leave a tip for somebody, you need to be able to calculate that. So I'm going to show you how to find tips and how to calculate tips just on their own. So if we went out to dinner and let's say our dinner costs $40.20. Okay? Well, we have to leave some sort of a tip. Now, you could leave whatever kind of tip you wanted. You could leave 10%, you could leave 15%, you could leave 20%. I mean, you could leave whatever you feel like leaving. But today we are going to leave a 15% tip. Okay? So the steps I want you to follow are very similar to finding discount, very similar to finding tax. Okay, so we're still going to find 15% of $40.20. That means we need to change the percent to a decimal, so it becomes 0.15. Of means to multiply, and our total doesn't change. And then we just multiply it out. And you should get 6.03, so $6.03 is our tip. So that's what we would leave in addition to what our bill costs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our original cost, $40.20, and we're going to add in our tip. And some of you might have seen, well, if you paid for your own dinner, you've probably seen it on a bill. Otherwise, you might have seen your parents looking at the bill, and this looks very similar to what the bill looks like. So our total price for, our total price for dinner is $46.23, and our tip is $6.03. So some of the questions that you are going to be working on will ask you how much is the tip. Okay, well, the tip will be $6.03, and then some of the questions will ask you how much will I be paying, how much is my total price, and that'll be your $46.23. Okay. Now also, some of the questions may ask you to find the tax and the tip. So it's kind of a two-step process. So I'll show you two different problems. So let's say that we are... Alright, so the problem we're going to look at is Rosa and her friends are eating out for dinner. The bill was $45.80. The tax rate was 6%. And they also want to leave a 20% tip. And I want to know how much will their final bill cost. So there's a couple different ways you could do it. So I'm going to show you one way on the left side here, and I'm going to show you another way on the right side. So one way we could do it is we could do two steps. So we could do the tax rate, and then we could find the tip, and then that'll give us our final cost. So we'll start just like we normally would. Okay. So we'll start finding the tax. So 6% of our total, which is $45.80. Okay, so we'll change our 6% to a decimal. Of means multiply, and we multiply 45.80. And we get $2.748. Okay, so that means I need to round. So we look at the number next to it. Okay. Remember, if the arrow is pointing to a number that is 5 or bigger, that we round up. So we are going to write everything up to that box, and then we're going to round that 4 up. So it'll give us $2.75. Okay, so I'm just going to erase this so I have some room. So $2.75 is how much tax we're going to add on to this. Now I still want to leave a tip, but before I can do that I need to find how much my total is right now. So as of right now I have $45.80 plus my tax, which will give me 5 plus 0, 7 plus 8 is 14, 15, 8, which will give me $48.55. Now here's where the second part comes in. Now I want to find the tip. Alright, sorry. So we're going to find 20% of the total that we just ended up with. So 48.55. And then we're going to follow the same steps. Change the percent to a decimal. Multiply by the total. And we should get $9.71. So now we add on whatever that tip is, because we're tipping the waiter, to our total price. And our final bill cost then would be $58.26. Alright, and I'm only going to show you the one way actually, because it will be the easiest way to do it. Because when I checked myself, the other way that I wanted to do it didn't work out as I planned. So we're going to do it this way. So first find the percent of the tax, and then find the tip. Okay, so I'm going to show you another problem. And like I said, please look back at these examples when you're working on your worksheet. Okay, there will be some that also have something on sale and also have a tax rate. And if that's the case, this is how we would solve that. Okay, so a snowmobile priced at $2,800 is on sale for 20% off. Woo! And the sales tax rate is 8.25%. So what is the sale price including tax? So we're going to end up with one answer. And we're going to start by finding the discount first. We're going to find the sale price. So we're going to find 20% of $2,800. So it becomes 0.2 times $2,800. And you should get $560. Okay? So that means we save $560. So if it's a discount, that means we have to subtract. So take $2,800 and subtract 560. So we should get 0, we should get so now, instead of our snowmobile being $2,800, it is now $2,240, now that it's on sale. But we're not done. If we look back, our problem says that there's a tax rate of 8.25%. So when we're dealing with tax, that means we need to add. So now I'm going to go down here, and I want to find the percentage, the tax rate, of my new price, my sale price. So not $2,800, but $2,240. So I need to change my percent to a decimal. So it becomes 0.0825 times 2,240. And you end up with $184.80. So that is our tax. That means we need to add it to our price that we start with. So, 2,240, and we are going to add 184.80, which will give us 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, so our final price for this snowmobile will be $2,424.80. That will be how much this snowmobile will cost after the discount and after adding the tax. So if we look back in the problem, the question asks, what is the sale price including tax? Well, we found the sale price, then we added the tax, so our final cost is $2,424.80. Again, please use these videos and these practice problems to help walk you through some of the word problems on the worksheet that you're going to be working with. And remember, you can work with a partner or you can work on your own. Okay, but you need to finish that worksheet. That will be your homework. So the more time you use wisely in class, the better off you will be. Good luck.